You know that feeling when you're drawn to someone who seems untouchable? A woman with walls so high that breaking through feels impossible. It's frustrating, yet captivating because there's something irresistible about a woman who challenges you, who doesn't settle for the ordinary, and who won't be won over by superficial charm. But how do you connect with someone who seems determined to keep her heart locked away? In this discussion, we'll explore how to genuinely connect with a difficult woman not through games, but by building something real. The key lies in understanding psychology, practicing emotional intelligence, and embracing Stoic wisdom. 1. Respect her independence. She has likely built a fulfilling life on her own and isn't looking for someone to complete her. Instead, she may be open to someone who complements her life. Respect her autonomy and show interest in her passions. If she loves hiking, ask about her favorite trails instead of trying to overshadow her interests. This respect creates a safe space for her to let her guard down. 2. Be intriguing and mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Share just enough to spark her curiosity. Think of it like reading a novel. If you know the ending, you might lose interest. By holding back a little, you create intrigue and show confidence, making her want to learn more about you. 3. Show genuine curiosity about her. Ask meaningful questions that go beyond small talk. Instead of asking how her day was, inquire about her dreams or passions. Listen actively and without judgment. This shows her that you value her as a person and are genuinely interested in understanding her. 4. Embrace her challenges. Understand that she may test the waters to see who is genuinely invested. Approach her resistance with calmness and patience. Your steady presence will demonstrate that you're not going anywhere and that you respect her worth. 5. Exude emotional stability. Women like her respect emotional stability. When she's overwhelmed, be the calm in her storm. Listen without trying to fix her problems immediately. Your ability to remain composed will build trust and show her that you can handle her complexities. 6. Maintain your own identity. Don't lose yourself in the process of trying to win her over. Stay true to your values, goals, and passions. A strong woman respects depth and authenticity, so let her see the best version of yourself. 7. Build trust through consistency. Trust takes time, especially for someone who has been let down before. Align your words with your actions. If you say you'll do something, follow through. This consistency will make her feel safe and valued. 8. Celebrate her strengths. Go beyond surface-level compliments. Acknowledge her intelligence, resilience, and dedication. Recognizing her unique qualities shows that you see her for who she truly is. 9. Know when to back off. Respect her need for space. If she asks for it, don't panic or chase her. Instead, show that you can give her the freedom to navigate her emotions without pressure. This restraint demonstrates confidence and respect. 10. Communicate your intentions thoughtfully. When the time is right, express your feelings honestly but thoughtfully. Avoid grand declarations too soon. Instead, be specific about what you admire about her, showing that you genuinely appreciate her unique qualities. In conclusion, connecting with a challenging woman isn't about flashy tactics. It's about building a real, lasting relationship. By respecting her independence, being emotionally stable, and showing genuine interest, you can create a meaningful connection. Remember, the most rewarding relationships are built, not chased. If you found these insights valuable, Share your thoughts or strategies in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.